Alright YouTubes, in today's video there's not going to be any car spraying. Been a bit quiet on the channel for the last month or so. I haven't posted any videos, and the reason being is it's coming to an end. So July 2006, so almost 20 years to the date, I started my business, my tiny little body shop at the back of my house in this garage. And I started off just in this garage with no spray booth. Had a extraction box, and I used to do everything from here. So 20 years I've been here, and it's coming to an end. We're packing it up. Don't want to go into the ins and outs of why it's happening, but it is happening. So yes, it's a bit difficult for me and for Reese at the moment. It's yeah, put a lot into this. Reese has been here since 2020. He came here just by accident, really. Obviously he knows what I do for a living, but he was doing a scholarship with Swindon Town Football Club, and he got released in COVID. So when he was released, he had no exit trials or any other avenues to pursue what he wanted to do. He wanted to try and become a pro footballer, or along those lines anyway. We know how difficult that is. And then yeah, we're all in lockdown at the time, and I was just sick of seeing him playing on his PlayStation, sitting in his pants all day. So I said to him, you can get your ass down here, boy, and give me an hand. And that's what happened. He come down here, started giving me an hand. He loves cars, he is a petrol head, and he got into it, and he's still with me now, and he's done really well. He's picked up the job really quickly, and it's been great working with him. It's tough, as any of you know, owning your own business or your own garage, or if you're one-man bands, it's tough. It's a tough job, this one anyway. So time consuming, and there's a lot, you know, like any trade, and being good at any trade and running your own business, it takes a lot out of you. It takes a lot of your time and a lot of sacrifice. I love it. I love painting cars. It's my passion. I still enjoy it. You know, the business side is stressful, and the demands, you know, can be stressful, but once I'm in that booth and spraying, you know, I still love it. I've got a real passion for painting cars. Always have done since the age of 14. I was 14 years old when I started doing this job, and like I say, been here for 20 years now, and it's 20 years to the date nearly. So yeah, it's a sad time. It's been a lot of emotions, a lot of yeah, a lot of worry and stress, and yes, it's been a difficult time, and I am quite emotional about it, to be honest with you. You know, all the time I've been putting stuff into this place, trying to, you know, it's not ideal, this setup, but it works, and I can produce, you know, some good quality work from my humble little setup, from a little garage next door that I rent, and my spray booth in here. But it is hard work. It's not efficient here. So jobs that should take a certain amount of time can take a lot longer because of the setup and the logistics of it, and you know, having the one bay, and we all know how it goes. You've got dead cars and issues with cars and parts and all the rest of it. It can delay us, and not having that extra room you'd have in a commercial place or a bigger unit makes this place quite inefficient. So it does make the job harder, but it works, and it always has worked, and we earn a living out of it, and it's been great. So yes, it's coming to an end, and yeah, I'm really sad about it. And you know, I've struggled to put any videos out, just with all the stuff going on in my head. Really, it's been hard for me to find time and energy and brain capacity to edit videos. I've got a lot of videos recorded of a lot of jobs I've done over the last couple of months, even longer than that, going back to nearly Christmas, and I've forgotten half the subjects that they were about, and yeah, lost a bit of passion for the channel really with what's going on here. So yeah, it's a sad time for us, and yeah, I don't know what's going to happen with the future of the channel and all the rest of it. I don't honestly know what's going to happen. That's where I am. So I thought I'd just give you an update on the situation, why I haven't posted no videos or any content lately, and just to let my regulars and subscribers and even any you new viewers, if it's the first time you've seen any of my videos, go back and watch them, try and get them views up. Go and see what content we have done if you're a new viewer to this video. I don't know what else I can say really. I just want to say thanks to everyone that's helped me build my channel, get it to the numbers it is at, and all your lovely comments and all the rest of it. I really appreciate it. I've really enjoyed it. Making the videos, I've learned so much from that, and the editing. I've learned stuff personally as well from putting my content out there and engaging with people. It's been great. It's been fantastic. The feedback that I have from my videos has spurred me on to keep making them, and I hope one day maybe I can carry on making more videos, but at the moment it's coming to an end. I have got a handful of jobs. It's ending pretty soon, to be honest with you. I've got a handful of jobs that are booked in. I'm not sure if I'm going to make content on them. I have got videos to make content of older jobs. Let me know in the comments if you want me to put those together, so I can put those out for the next few weeks. That's what I'm going to try and do, to be honest with you, is just use a bit of content that I have recorded already and maybe make some videos. But I thought I'd just let you all know why I haven't been posting and what's going on here. The only job we've got in at the minute, I'll show you, is some of you regulars might remember the Copart car that I bought at Christmas. That's here. I've been recording the next stage of this, so if you haven't seen that video where we put a back panel in this box of Astra, we bought it with rear end damage, smashed boot floor, rear panel. We put new rear panel in it, we painted it all. You ain't going to get much better factory looking paint than that. We copied exactly the colours and how it was painted from factory, so go and check them videos out if you haven't seen them, the repair of this. And now we're just on the outer body repairs. Nothing too major, just a bit of a nasty-ish repair on this quarter, and then just things and dents and scratches. I'm just going all out, painting everything. Some of it probably didn't need it, but as far as the Copart stuff goes, I've had it that long, I ain't going to really make any money out of this, so it's just a case of getting it done and getting it gone. But if you're interested in it, by the way, it's a 23 plate Vauxhall Astra. What is it, a 1.2 GS? That's the model, so, yeah, with 23,000 miles on it. And we're going to get both sides painted over the next couple of days and get this fitted up and buttoned up, and get it cleaned up. So that'll be some content that's going to be on the channel that's finishing this. But I've done it all wrong. I've done it how you shouldn't do it, and I've just let it sit and been pushed to the side while I've been working, which isn't the way to make money on these Copart jobs. But I wanted this to be a new thing for the channel, doing the Copart cars and having a bit of salvage on the channel. But trying to do that and run the business has proven difficult, and I knew it would be. I thought I'd be able to do it, and on top of the business and on top of the customers' jobs, but it's hard to try and do this type of work on top of all of that. But we're going to get it finished anyway. And yeah, sorry, apologies for people that subscribe for this car and to see more of it. I can't give you any answers on that at the moment, but you'll see this one done, and we'll run the numbers, because I'm definitely in negative equity on this one. But it is what it is. I'm just going to get it finished now, so that's it really. I will try and put some more content out, like I said, but yeah, it's all coming to an end here. So just want to say a massive thanks to you for all your support and your comments and watching my videos and all your views. Really appreciate it. Hopefully see you again in the future. Thanks for watching, really appreciate it, and we'll see you again soon, hopefully.